In this video, I will show you how to change region in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, once you're on the home screen, come up to the address bar at the top, and what you want to do is just get rid of the bit after roblox.com, so where it says home, and you want to replace this with /support and then hit enter, just like so. And what that's going to do is take you to a form which looks like this, and you just want to go ahead and fill in your details. So your username and first name, which is optional, you don't have to do this, but I'd recommend doing it because it makes your account easier to locate. Then what you want to do is enter your email address and confirm, and then come down to the issue details section. So the first question says, what device are you having a problem on? Of course, just go ahead and select from the list the device that you play Roblox on, whether that's PC, Mac, or maybe like an Android phone or an iPad. I'm going to select PC. Then what you want to do is come to the type of help category, give this a click, and look for the option which says how to, just down here. And in the help subcategory, give that a click and change this to how to change my location. Then what you want to do is come down to the box here where it says please describe your issue, and just put something along the lines of that you've changed region or country and this needs to be updated on your Roblox account. So I've actually created a template which you're welcome to use if you want to, which says basically, dear Roblox support team, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to kindly request a change to the region associated with my Roblox account. I have recently either moved to a new country or noticed my account is set to the wrong region, and I would like to update it to reflect my current location. Then underneath you would just basically put your current region and new region. You don't need to worry about this because that was of course already filled in on the form. And once you've done that, just finish it off with like, thanks for your time. If you need any further information to verify my account, happy to provide it. Of course, just put your full name there to sign it, and then you can send that through. From past experience, it takes about 48 hours for Roblox to come back to you. If they've got a bit of a backlog, it might take a bit longer, but just keep an eye on your email, and what's going to happen, they're going to email you back and help you to get your region changed. So that is how to change region in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.